Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. As you can tell, I intended to share this video with you guys on Valentine's Day, but I wasn't able to get it ready on time. I still wanted to share it with you guys because it's a haul from La Cosedora. I made a purchase of one of her customizable nail art stamping kits since I love the one she sent me for review. And I wanted to let you guys know that the sale is ending soon, so if you want to take advantage of the 31% off, now's your chance to do it. I'll leave a link to her website in the description box of the video, hlacosedora.com. Her nail art stamping kits are customizable, so you get to choose what you want included in your kit. The one that I purchased only has one stamping plate and two stamping polishes, and these are the ones that I chose. Everything she has on her website is beautiful and it looks amazing, and they're really good quality products. Everything arrived beautifully packaged in this really cute box. The two polishes I ordered for my kit were the pink one, which is called Pink Candy, and the blue polish, which is called Daba D, which is so cute because it makes me think of the song I'm Blue Daba D. That's really funny. Although I didn't record how I created the manicure that I'm going to share with you guys at the end, I wanted you guys to see it anyway because I used this stamping plate for it and the stamping polishes. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or comments, please be sure to let me know. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!